I have these heel lifts here that was sent to me by this brand, BloomLab, to review. And I just want to show you how these work and what they do. And basically, it comes in a pack of 2. And you can see here. So these are heel lifts. So when you put these in your shoes, it helps, adjust the level of your foot or your leg. Sometimes our legs are uneven, just the way our body works. Sometimes, it's unbalanced or whatever the reason is. And you can adjust these. So you can see here. Let me try to. But basically, these are adjustable. So if you put these in your shoes and you feel like it's too thick, or it's not good enough, for your height or whatever, you can peel it off and it just makes it thinner. And it has about 2 or 3 layers that you can peel off. I think, yeah, 3 layers you can peel off to adjust your height. But I'm going to show you, I'm going to go ahead and put these, or put one of them on my shoe, and I'm going to show you how it works. So here's my shoe, and you can see right here. And all you got to do is just put it in there, and you don't even have to be adjusting it you just put it in there and you're good to go. But again, this depends on your height and how you want it or how you need it. You can peel it off and then just put it back in there. Just put it right there and you're all set.